Hello everyone, my name is Ho. Thank you for visiting my YouTube channel. I want to tell you very good news for the people who with arthritis pain. Today, I am delivering this information in English for the first time. I hope you guys understand my English words. I want to tell you what is really happening with ultrasound therapy in this country. I have several previous videos are made in Korean language. If you guys can translate them, that would be great. Please do so. I am currently distributing 닥터88 which is merchandise at 닥터존 Suwon City, Gyeonggi-do in South Korea. Today's information about arthritis treatment device. That's right, arthritis treatment device. I mean arthritis home treatment device for the first time to the world, sold in South Korea. It is a masterpiece of Ultrasound PNC, which has been researched and developed for the last 26 years. Ultrasound PNC is a bioventure company that researches and develops heart cells and nerve cells and cartilage cells. Let's get to the point. This home treatment device can cure your arthritis, osteoarthritis, degenerative arthritis. This home treatment device has been approved by the Korea Food and Drug Administration many years ago. This device that not only relieves the pain but also treats it, I mean cure it. The scope of application of this treatment is hand pain and tennis elbow and frozen shoulder pain and back pain, knee joint pain, and toe pain and ankle pain, and calf pain. So I mean you can use all of your joints and more. Let's see an ad. Let's take a look at the principle. It generates low-intensity ultrasonic waves that vibrate 1 million times per second. Low-intensity ultrasound stimulates the joint to activate the cartilage cells in the joint. The production of collagen and protein sugar is promoted in chondrocyte so that chondrocyte proliferate. Chondrocyte proliferate at the intensity of a special frequency of low intensity ultrasound.